Today, we're cooking chicken thighs with pistachios in a skillet. Preparation time, 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking time, about 20 to 30. First off, you'll need chicken thighs. You can catch your own, but I find it easier to buy them already skinless and deboned. Let's add some oils. I recommend soy sauce and the cooking oil of your choice. This is a particularly sweet one. For spices, I like fresh garlic, salt, and pepper. We'll also need a green onion, parsley, and, of course, pistachios. Prepare the chicken thighs by cutting away the excess fat. Add a tablespoon each of the soy sauce and the cooking oil. Prepare a few cloves of garlic. Add a bit of salt of your choice, and some pepper. Slice up the green onion. And chop up the parsley. Stir the mixture. Cover with a nice cloth and place in the refrigerator for marinating for about 30 to 45 minutes. Just enough time for a dip in the pool. Now we're ready to get the chicken out of the refrigerator. Take a handful of pistachios and pound them up to a nice little powder. I remember this chicken that was from earlier in the film. We're going to add the pistachios. Pistachios! Hooray! I'm going to stir them. That's pistachios in this great mixture. In this next step, you take some butter. This is by the tablespoon, so 1 tablespoon of butter, and you put it in a skillet. So, and then you melt it. It's got a great smell. Look at the bubbles. I mean, it's like cooking is so much fun. Some sounds, smells. All right, I think we're ready. I'm gonna wash my hands again. I do that frequently. Ready? Ready? Go, taking a chicken, back up some. Taking chicken.
That, my friend, is sizzling.
Nice.
This smells good.
It's supposed to be searing. Okay. And now you take them after they've started searing for a minute and you flip them.
That's not a minute.
That's about a minute.
It's about a minute?
Yeah, it's about a minute. Yeah, it took a long time to get that in.
I use 2 forks to pick them. It's easier, I find.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I don't pick the meat so much.
An interesting thought. I like this 1 fork so I can just like stab it and get it controlled.
Yeah, because you're a dude.
I'm a dude.
And you're a doctor. You can be tricking people with things.
The meat should be light brown through and through. You know, the meat's a little pink still.
Yes, a little bit pink.
Let's give it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Well, you're done. We have a little chicken in the bowl with all the wonderful spices. Oh, it smells so good. This is going to be one heck of a great meal. We'll show you the table. We have chicken and peas and carrots with a garlic salt stirred in, and fresh little potatoes. Ooh, scrumptious.
Yum. Bon appetit.
And go.